Guys, I love y'all. I really, really love y'all.
No, for sure they're watching.
No,
Yeah.
you don't know who she's talking about.
I've messaged them 3-4 times that I want a boyfriend. I have no response. Guys, this page is a scam.
They like insert like rods.
Nah, I'm out.
She will not snitch because she's in a relationship. I'll not snitch because my marriage is at stake. So both of us will not snitch on each other, but we'll still have an affair.
Oh,
I don't want to talk
I
about
thought you
it.
were maneuvering through the crowd and Diljit just came.
that would have
It
been
was like-
iconic. कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Like bracelet किसका है?
नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Bracelet
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
कहाँ जा रहे हो? आपको स्टेज पे आना है? आप पॉडकास्ट करोगी क्या?
आप फेमस होंगी.
Hi guys, I am Zia.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam. This week, so exciting.
So many festivals.
Yeah,
The
but
second half. I
Love.
love it. It goes away so fast.
yeah.
And there's like festival.
Yeah.
It's
Too
the
much fun.
Ember month. It's the Ember months
It's-
now.
yeah.
Ember month.
I mean,
that's
Burr month. Sorry,
Burr,
September, October,
October, November,
I
December
love this quarter of the month of the year.
of the year. I never
I-
thought of it that way.
Honestly, I hate it because it's like the game changer. It's like the plot changer.
Right.
But you've
why do you
already
hate
lost
it?
the plot, so what do you want to know?
That's why I'm kind of like क्या होगा भाई सब तो गया मेरा अब क्या ही हो सकता है
जो क्रेजी करना था वो हो गया.
बहुत कुछ है तेरे पास, ठीक है? Be grateful.
very very
Be grateful to the Bappa that you have worshipped this week.
Yes, very very
Love.
grateful.
Yeah.
No, but I honestly love Ganpati season,
I
bro.
agree.
Like, it's very
Genuinely,
exciting.
same,
Yeah,
same.
it's very
I
exciting
mean,
to me.
the place where we live in, there's like the entire street is like lit up
Yeah,
and
we
like
live in
lights. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like lights till 12, and you know, there's like
Exactly.
bhajans playing on the-
exactly.
On the Such a
loudspeaker.
vibe.
Bro,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
my society, I am to down pura time. I am downstairs from
So down to earth.
She's down for anything,
from
guys.
8:30 की आरती to like 12:30, 1:30 और वहाँ पे जागरण चलता है रात
Yeah.
भर.
And
जो
you also
नीचे-
have like certain programs, no? Like
Yeah, yeah, we
dances,
have
so
skits
much
and
fun.
everything.
We
I don't
have-
know, I get so like I don't know if emotion. I think it's emotional is the right word for it. But then whenever I see like people come together and like celebrate anything for that matter, and when it's something so grand like
Right.
Ganpati, like celebrations of Ganpati. Dude, I get teary eyed whenever I see people like I'm like, oh my god, this is so nice.
This is a huge crowd.
No, but I really get somber during the Visarjan. I'm
I
very like
agree.
so that's why I never go till the end.
Oh,
In the water?
Of course not. I never go till the end also to see off Bappa because then I start crying. Once I went, 1 year I went and I started crying and I got home and I kept crying for like 3-4 hours and then my dad was like, "Bhai, tu mat aa. Tu mat aa.
Have you
Koi
seen those
zarurat
like
nahi hai."
small babies
Oh
crying?
my
Yeah.
When
god.
Bappa ka Visarjan, oh my god, it breaks my heart. I'm like, mat leke jao Bappa ko yaar.
But this time when like Ganpati went by, it was a very
Very
fast.
fast.
Very
Very
fast.
Like, I
So
remember
quickly.
when we were little, like it used to. When we were little, it just felt like such a long,
During
Yeah,
school.
yeah.
especially with like the vacation, like
Exactly.
Ganpati
Yeah, yeah,
vacations
yeah.
and stuff. But this time it just went by so quickly.
Yeah, but I remember the first 2-3 days for me. It was more like because Adi fell sick also, so they were not that great. But like the end of it, like after 4th, 5th day, the festival was really festivaling.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it really hit. I remember I went to a lot of mandaps.
Yeah.
And I had a blast, bro. I had a blast. Okay, obviously, it was like very much crowded and everything. But you know, there's a beauty in that crowd also. You see people coming from like far away. And like on the way, like there are 12-hour and 14-hour lines, and people are no one's
No one's
grumpy about
budging,
it.
dude. Nobody's
No one's
budging.
honestly. I
How
used to
people
think
eating in these lines?
they give food.
Oh.
And there are
Food is
like
given,
stalls.
छोटा snacks, pani,
Yeah,
juice, all of
prasad
that.
dete hain, pani
Haan.
dete hain. And there are stalls also all around. I went to a lot of mandaps, right? and like there are people coming from like really far away, and you can see that they are waiting in the line for 8 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours. So people would be annoyed, grumpy, mad. Bro, bhajan ga rahe hai,
हाँ.
full enjoy kar rahe hai. And matlab, you know, even I was very tired, bro. I was genuinely very tired, like till the moment I got to the darshan.
To actually get to
Yeah,
do the darshan.
To the darshan, I was very tired. But the chants, it brings a different kind of energy. It brings a really different kind of energy. Like randomly, one person will say Ganpati Bappa Moria, and you'll all just be like,
Yeah.
"Nahi, aage jana hai.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this."
I know, like I was traveling in a cab and taxi वाले से ऐसे ही बात करें, हम लालबाग के वहीं से जा रहे थे ना, taxi वाला was like मेरे खुद की family, so like he couldn't go because of course he had to like work. But like his family, like his wife and his 2 daughters, लालबाग चा राजा का वो लोग लाइन में खड़े थे. They went पिछले दिन के शाम के 6 बजे, वो अगले दिन सुबह 11 बजे घर आए. And he did not even say it as a complaint. He just felt so blessed कि मतलब दर्शन मिल गया.
Yeah.
That's how crazy people are when it comes to like Ganpati,
Ganpati.
especially in Bombay. मुझे बाकी लोगों का बाकी cities का पता नहीं,
Yeah.
but like in Bombay, in Maharashtra, it's like I don't know, it is something.
Yeah.
Like every person feels
The
it.
aura is just different.
Different.
Yeah.
Even जब 5 दिन 3 दिन 7 दिन की गणपति जाते, it's a different vibe.
And bro, I feel like Ganpati calls you. Last year I didn't go. Last year I went. So I almost go every single year. Last year I don't know what happened. I just couldn't go. This year also I was not planning to go. But then like just randomly my dad called me and he's like, तुझे जाना है क्या? And I was like, जा सकते हैं क्या? And then he was like, चल जाते हैं. And it just happened like that.
Bro, same,
And I
same,
got
same.
ready in 15 minutes. Bro,
Same.
it's
Mera,
like
I
he
think,
calls you.
Mera, I think
It's a time
majority
and place.
of
Yeah,
the दर्शन गणपति का लास्ट विसर्जन के दिन ही होता है.
Hmm.
बाकी 10 दिन जाने का आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजन मौका आता ही नहीं है. इवन लास्ट ईयर दर्शन लास्ट डे पर ही हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट सारे गणपतियों का, एंड इवन दिस ईयर.
And I have one more very very cute thing to say. The day I did Lal Bagh Cha Raja, Chintamani, what is-
गणेश गली.
Ganesh Gali, Mahaganpati, all of them. That day was the day we hit 10K.
Oh,
yes.
And that day was when that reel crossed 10 million.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. So
She did that, y'all.
Yeah.
Bappa did that.
Bappa
bro.
did that.
Bappa did that.
Papa and our viewers as well.
Yeah.
Both of y'all.
But like, my mom told me this story. Like, she comes from Bhiwandi. Like, she was born in Bhiwandi, and that's where my nanny house is. Bhiwandi mein there's this type of Ganpati called Nimbu wale Ganpati.
Okay.
ठीक है? And it's not like a Ganpati मूर्ति. There's just like there's these families जो ये हर साल रिचुअल करते हैं, ठीक है? वो फिक्स है कि वही फैमिली में से some or the other will do it. So the thing is, they fast for 3 days, and on the last Visurgin day is their third fast, and a little
Trigger warning?
a little trigger warning. They like insert like rods
Nah, I'm out.
through their like mouths and like their back and like their entire body. And it
May I
has-
ask the purpose?
I'll tell you. It's just the way of their worship.
Okay.
And
Okay.
they'll fast for 3 days, and on the third day this happens Visarjan ke din, ठीक है? And they have a fixed time. So Bhiwandi में ना there's this like main road जहाँ से सारे गणपति गुजरते हैं. Because it's very small this thing, तो सब जो जहाँ पर विसर्जन होता है
वहाँ
एक ही
से
रास्ता है.
सारे जाते हैं गणपति. हाँ.
सो उनका टाइम फिक्स है कि वो एवरी ईयर 8 o'clock के पहले वहां पर उनको पहुंचना ही पहुंचना है. एंड देन अगर बाजू में भी गणपति आ रहे दे विल ऑल स्टॉप कि इनका टाइम है, वो वहीं पर आकर रुकेंगे. फिर जो गणपति है एक्चुअल मूर्ति दैट विल गो फॉरवर्ड, एंड लाइक दीस पीपल दे विल लाइक इंसर्ट लाइक
Yeah, rods.
in their mouth
Like
and,
long screws?
not screws, like actual rods, like thin metal rods
Okay.
from their mouths and like their back. And like this one person, he has like 2 like silver hooks in his back, and
Like that,
he will
like it
Yeah, yeah.
pierced.
and then he will be the one to pull the rath till that place, and like
Oh
people
my
actually
God.
worship those men who do that. Like they will worship them, and as soon as they reach that spot, all of their like the things will come off, and then they just faint over there. And there's not one
Whoa.
drop of blood out of their body. Not
Yeah,
one.
this
I've
happens,
seen
this
this
happens.
year. My mom actually showed it to me.
This happens.
Not one drop of blood
So-
is out of their bodies.
Yeah.
Are they like priests or something?
No,
No,
they're just
no.
like
Normal
random
people.
Do they practice a lot?
No, it's a
I
different,
don't know. I
it's
don't
a
know.
different form of energy that gets into them.
Yeah, and they
during-
they
and
won't
this-
eat for 3 days only
Yeah.
on water.
So they're regular people, like with
Yeah,
regular
normal
jobs.
people,
people,
normal
normal
people. Yeah,
people.
yeah, very normal.
So they just
people.
devote this.
yeah, yeah,
the-
yeah. And ये सिर्फ
And they
निबंधन
get
में
it
होता है.
pierced, like it's pierced all year
throughout the
round.
year?
No, just on that day.
And
just
they pierce it on
day.
that day,
Yes.
and it still doesn't bleed.
It doesn't bleed. Not one drop of blood from anywhere on their body.
very
I've
painful.
seen it. I've seen it. And it is so painful. And my mom was telling me, and I'm like, Mama, what are you saying? She's like, I'm not making this up. It's actually
Yeah,
true.
no,
Oh
no,
my.
Like,
this
she has seen it.
few
And
things
I'm like,
these
wow, I've
happen.
never seen this side of Ganpati.
Same.
Wow.
I've
Okay.
never heard of like Nimbu wale
Same.
Ganpati.
Me
also.
neither. And
Where
I
does the
actually-
Nimbu come in play?
Yeah.
They just, like, the rods have nimbus at the end of it.
Ah, you never mentioned that.
Yeah, you didn't.
Sorry, the rods, the rods and whatever they insert, they have like
Okay.
nimbus all of their body.
So
Hence
Nimbu-
Nimbu wale Ganpati.
Nimbu is the beverage.
one minute, but why does it happen only in Bhiwandi? Is there like some significance?
I
to-
don't know. Maybe they just reside there. Hence it's like a pratha over there. I don't know.
Hmm.
Interesting.
I've only heard it from there. अभी और कहाँ होता होगा मुझे
Maybe
पता
it's a
नहीं, but
Bhiwandi thing. Like,
Yeah.
Probably.
could be, could
Yeah.
be.
anyway.
But it happens like every year. And it's the same family और उसी family से members आएंगे, like बाहर वाले नहीं.
Yeah, it's definitely a divine energy.
Yeah, it is. And like not one blood of like
Drop
of
drop
blood.
of blood. That's like crazy, dude.
Cray cray.
Yeah, yeah.
Very.
That's very
crazy.
interesting.
Yeah.
Oh.
New information every day. So I recently started watching Call Me Bae.
Okay.
And
Did you find someone that called you Bae?
I mean.
Whoa! She's really going there.
Whoa.
Damn, I
No,
was
people
not
call me
expecting that.
Besharam, not Bae.
Fair,
Love
fair,
Yeah.
fair.
Dance
I'll take
practice
that. I'll
करना
take
पड़ेगा
whatever.
अभी.
Ananya, you need to
शादी
come
के
on
लिए?
here. We have like literally the same name.
Yeah.
Ananya,
Rakhi,
Raki,
Radhika.
Radhika Ambani,
Vicky
Priyanka
Kaushal.
Chopra, Vicky Kaushal, they all watch Besharam.
They are a fan base.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I started watching that, and then it's a very light-hearted, like fun show to watch.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
watch.
Put your brain aside and
Yeah.
watch.
Yeah, it's like brain rot,
Hmm.
but
Long form.
a little. It's a mixture of Schitt's Creek and like Emily in Paris. It's like it's like a mixture of like
Hmm.
these
Yeah,
two
yeah.
shows.
I see Emily in Paris.
I see
It's-
Schitt's Creek
I see
too.
only
Yeah.
Emily in Paris.
I see only Emily.
I,
in
sh-
Paris.
I see Schitt's Creek because of the rich family, and then
Yeah.
Emily in Paris because again she gets a lot of things very
Very
easily,
easily,
yeah,
like
yeah.
for her. But yeah, I just got to the third episode because whatever, I just
Because whatever.
whatever.
I didn't have a job back then.
I didn't have a job back then, so I could get to the third episode. But yeah, I mean, it's a chill show only. Like
It's
it's,
a-
nice. I like the part where in the first episode they have this scene where she gets married to the guy, her husband, and it's
Yeah,
like this.
and
It's
the
this depiction
Sid.
of Kiara Advani and
Yeah,
Sid's wedding.
Yeah.
And she mentions like, oh, even we had that hasne wala pandit ji and stuff.
हंसाने वाला.
हंसाने वाला pandit ji.
Continue.
Yeah, no. So I mean, it's a like nice chill show to watch.
I was very envious of this one thing that they brought up in the show, and I was like, shit, why didn't we have that idea? That's the only thing I like actually took away from the show. Weirdly, I also left it midway because I had assignments. But there's this part where they mention like a girl code, and they called it Bhen code.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my
yeah.
god,
Yes,
exactly.
if we came up with that, I'm so envious.
Yes.
I'm
Yeah.
jealous. That's such a smart way to put it. A Behen code.
Behen code.
That's hashtag Behan.
Hashtag
code.
Bhen code, that's very similar to Maya Yod.
Maya. Uya, uya. Uyo.
No, but honestly, I loved watching Veer Das on screen, bro. He's a treat to watch.
Yeah,
That was a good
Oh.
good acting done by him. I really
Yeah.
enjoyed watching him on screen after a very long time.
Yeah,
Wasn't he
definitely.
like a creep? He's a creep now in the show.
In the show.
Yeah, in the show,
yeah.
In the show, yeah.
No,
in the
not
show.
in real life. I don't know him in real life.
Yeah. So yeah, on the show he's this host on some
Yeah.
Very, very
a very
obnoxious.
controversial,
Very arrogant.
arrogant, and he
Mhm.
calls people out about their personal lives. And
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
He's a bitch on the show, basically.
Okay.
But like
Yeah.
I know I still have a lot more to watch about that show.
You've
about
not finished
Colin
it?
Bay. No, I didn't finish it.
Same.
I finished it.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't watch it only.
It
I
was
was
nice.
busy watching Follow Kar Lo Yaar, dude.
Mm.
Iconic.
I watched it twice.
What?
Really?
I watched it
I
twice.
binge watched
Queen.
it.
I'm obsessed with Urfi.
I have mixed opinions.
Same. I have mixed opinions
No,
about
I like.
her.
I've always liked her. I don't understand
No,
the hate.
I don't
I
hate her.
love
See,
her.
same.
I don't love her either.
See,
She's
see,
gravitating.
I'll tell you what it is about her. From Instagram, from whatever we've seen on
Hmm.
Instagram and the outfits that she pulls up, fucking great.
I know.
She's
Not always.
slays.
love her.
Not
for that.
always.
See,
No, she
I
built her
applaud the
career
fact.
through that. I'm not gonna shit on her for that.
I applaud the fact that she's never hesitant to stand out
Yes.
and like do whatever it takes to put herself out there and be extravagant.
But she's also mentioned that she feeds off of that. She likes the attention whether or not it's good.
she's using that for whatever reasons. Great for her.
That's
Like,
iconic.
That's iconic. Yeah, I
iconic.
mean,
It is
she's
iconic.
leveraging off of it for whatever reason. Great for her.
Yeah.
But on the show, what I did not like from whatever I've seen again, I didn't finish the entire thing, but from whatever I've seen, see, there's one thing to have a big personality, great for you. But then I feel like the way she treats her siblings on the show,
Yes.
and like in a
It's
way,
very real.
it's be real about it. Like, yeah, of course, with your siblings, you have this love-hate relationship. But then I feel like in a way, she sort of demeans them.
Yeah.
And
Because they
I
didn't
have something to say about
work.
it. I have something to say about it. So people who are self-made, no, they have that kind of an attitude, and I honestly think they should have it because they have worked really hard, bro. She has worked really,
Yeah, but then
really hard
sure.
to get
would
where
you,
she is.
Would you, if you become self-made one day?
To a level, yes.
To a level is fine.
To
but
a
then
level, yes.
I
You
don't-
didn't
I
see,
don't-
you saw
I
the
wish
show,
I
right?
saw.
You know
I
to
wish
what,
I saw the show so I can
saw
chime
that.
in.
but like
but
you
I
know
I don't
to what
think-
extent she went with all of her siblings, not
Exactly.
just one.
See, to have your head
Watch
in the
it till
cloud.
the end. Watch it till the end. And
I
then you
did
might
see
change.
it till the end.
Then
I saw
you
it.
guys might change your opinions.
I saw
I
it
don't
till
know.
the
I
end.
just feel like, okay, so how as women we are always, stereotyped, or we are always considered as a sex object. But I loved how she's like, okay, call me a fucking sex object. I give two fucks about it.
No,
I
we're
want
not
to
talking
Yeah,
about
love
that.
that
No, no,
about
no.
her.
I'm just talking in general
Okay,
why
okay,
I
okay,
really
okay,
like
okay,
her.
Okay.
So she was like, okay, fuck it, call me a sex object. I don't give two shits about
Yeah.
it. If that's making money for me, if that's making me famous,
Her business
Love
side,
it.
I love.
I
I love her
it.
business
Yeah.
side. She
Yeah,
will
yeah.
go to extreme lengths.
Yeah,
And
You
I
know,
think
you've
that
seen
will
that
blow up.
episode
That
on
will
Moment
blow
of Silence where she's like, I want to have a baby so I can have a baby line. Iconic.
Yeah.
Iconic.
That is
Yeah,
iconic.
iconic.
That is
Yeah.
so business minded of her.
Yeah.
But the only part which like ticked me off was how she was treating her siblings on the
Yes.
show.
Yeah,
That just felt a little demeaning.
feels
And
like-
you have a relationship. Everyone has a love-hate relationship with their
Mhm.
siblings. We spoke about it. But then the way to do it.
Watch our last episode.
Very smooth.
And
Yeah,
like, guys,
very
if you want a
smoothly
part
done
2
it.
to that, we can do it better.
We'll call Urfi on it.
Oh my god, yes, Urfi.
If you're watching,
But yeah, that was my only like take about that
Yeah,
part.
it
of the
reminds-
show.
I
But
want to
otherwise
watch it now. I want to watch it.
Remember-
It gives very Kardashian.
Oh yes.
Yeah, it is
Yes.
very similar to that.
And even like Khan sisters, if you guys remember, it used to be,
No.
I think on MTV or something, where Gauhar Khan and her sister had a reality show. That was their claim to fame.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, you did not know that?
No.
They used to also fight a lot.
Okay.
Like there was a point where Gauhar Khan's sister like left home because Gauhar was cheating in Uno.
Oh,
I mean,
so
I mean-
real. I would break
Arey,
ties. I would
Arey,
break ties.
Adi-
I lost in Uno.
Arey, Adi, tum.
I don't think Adi would do
But
that.
see, even if you compare Urfi and her sisters to Kardashians, I equally hate not hate, but
Ooh.
like
Same opinions.
same opinions
I
about
love
the Kardashians.
See, that's
Exactly.
No, but the Kardashians
by
are very close knit. very
How
close.
can you say that?
Even-
about
Bro, you
Sufi?
can see it. It comes
Even
off.
the Javed sisters are very close.
But that's
Pata
because
nahi. Maine nahi
you've
dekha.
seen
No,
the
they are
Kardashians
close-knit like that.
for so many seasons. Urfi
true,
has
true,
come
true,
for
true.
like one season now, so you never know how the
I
relationship
love
might be.
keeping up with Kardashian. I love follow Kar Lo Yaar. I don't know why. I think that's my genre.
I
That's
love
because-
in the episode. I love this one bit where she had to go to the Jakarta, but they cancelled her at the end moment, and she's
Yeah.
like, "सड़क पे
Red carpet
हाँ,
बनाऊंगी मैं.
हाँ,
सड़क से
हाँ,
उठाया
हाँ,
सड़क पे अभी अपना I'll like that
Fashion show
famous
कर
रही
हाँ,
है.
that was
Bro,
so boss bitch
I
of
love
her.
her. Yeah, that's the
That
thing.
was
I
boss
genuinely
bitch of her.
really
You know
like
what I
her.
love about her? Actually, I relate to it more than anything. She's come on a few podcasts now, Untriggered twice and Moment of Silence once, and she's always talked about how like guys are just not doing it for her.
Oh my god, yeah.
And it's like उसका भी मतलब सूखा ही चल रहा है.
No, she's
मेरा भी सूखा ही चल रहा है.
her friends set her up on a blind date.
Yeah,
and like,
no.
the date was pretty okay, but she's like, love वाला vibe match नहीं
No,
हो
but
पा रहा है.
Shit था ही नहीं.
No, but I get it, yeah. If you're not laughing like crazy ass,
Yeah,
on a
yeah, I
date,
agree.
What's the point?
What's the point? Exactly.
Oh,
the guy,
no.
agree.
the guy,
पता नहीं.
The guy doesn't deserve
Valid,
around two,
valid.
around two.
So
two, yeah, agree.
that pushed me to like lens of depression. That I use that word very lightly. I don't mean that, but I was like a little bummed. Couple of months actually. It's like all of my friends are like, not you guys.
Not us.
Who's talking about us? Yeah.
Cuffed
So,
up.
yeah.
Or have been in the past, and I was just like feeling so much fucking FOMO. And then I came across this reel on Instagram and I sent it to the group chat and I said last option.
Oh yeah.
Tell them what it is.
It was-
oh my
It
god.
was this Instagram page called Life Partner something. And we'll add a screenshot, you guys. I
Yeah.
saw
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
reel and I was like, this is genuinely the last option. It's just this one page and you DM them, you follow their following, you follow
Yeah.
their Telegram, you send their reel to 20 friends.
मतलब सब जगह
And-
सब कर लो.
हाँ,
Yes.
सब
And
engagement,
then-
follow
हाँ,
कर लो
Follow
यार.
कर लो यार.
follow कर लो यार.
And then you DM them saying if you want a boyfriend or girlfriend, and then they'll hook you up with somebody who's like your life partner.
Yeah.
Basically.
Wow.
And you can say no if you don't like the guy.
Well, but
Yeah.
They'll
most
give you
people-
another option.
Yeah,
बाप रे.
it's like Tinder or like Hinge or Bumble
On
on
Instagram.
steroids.
Yes.
Love
It's on steroids
And
because everyone's a cake murderer there.
Everyone fell on the earth.
Everyone fell
fell
on
on
the
the
fucking over like on their head. Anyway,
That's why maybe the compatibility also matches.
so like
Bio match हो रहा है भाई.
Bio match, vibe match.
so like it
और
was all
मैंने देखा शुरुआत ही ऐसे घटिया फोटो से करेंगे
A show pick dear.
फिर मतलब सब लोग ना बोलते ही हैं.
हाँ.
it was all fun and games until I was like, do it for the plot and all.
Do it.
No,
Did you?
Yeah, she did.
You did.
Oh my god!
Y'all don't know she did it.
I don't
What
know
the
When
hell?
did I tell you?
On the group.
What the hell?
I was saying I was
तूने
going
किया.
to. I didn't
तूने
say I
बोला
didn't
तूने
do it.
किया.
No, but I did
भाई
it.
क्या नहीं सच में क्या
दिखा.
था?
दिखा.
अबे यार
बंदा दिखा भाई.
Okay, so what happened was their bio said following, sent reel to 20 people and follow Telegram. 1 second. Follow Telegram. Okay, so I did all the things and I was like, send which reel to 20 people? I DM'd them. Which reel question mark? I wanted to get this right, you guys.
Yeah.
I really did.
The one
Like,
shot you have.
The one shot I
the
had
last-
last shot.
at life partner underscore.
अरे
Okay.
भाई मेरे को
I did it. I got no response. So I messaged them on Telegram. I got no response. I've messaged them 3-4 times that I want a boyfriend. I have no response. Guys, this page is a scam. Okay?
Shit.
I really can't get I can't get a partner. Even on life partner, I can't get a partner. I'm
I
genuine.
अपना pitch शुरू कर ले
I
वैसा.
think you should open a profile on shadi.com.
Exactly.
I don't
That should be your last
Do
option.
it.
I don't think I'm gonna find cake
On
murderers
Shadi,
there.
on Shadi.com, be like looking for something casual.
Looking for second husband. No, I have husband looking for boyfriend.
Yeah.
आएंगे
Bro, fuck.
But
speaking about-
I realized what my problem is. After all this I did na, I sat and I had a long hard think about this.
अरे बाप रे.
I was like, my problem isn't that there's something wrong with me.
You are never the
I have
problem.
realized.
That's the problem, babe.
Okay, I have realized this though.
Hmm.
Last night only I realized this. I'm a movie. I come off as a movie without a romance plot. I come off as a movie without a romance plot because it's like it was never a blockbuster hit and everybody knows why. It's literally no romance. But the people that like it really will push you to watch it. You know, no, it's a really good movie. I know there's like no like love angle, but like it's really good. Like just try it.
So with your friends.
And then exactly. And then some people will watch it, but they like drag themselves through it, and they're like, yeah, it was a decent movie. Like it gets an Oscar nomination, never wins because obviously
That's us.
it like
Dragging through it.
Bro, I'm trying so hard to keep up.
no wait.
What are you saying?
Like, it's everybody knows why this movie didn't work because there's no romance plot, but it's actually a very critically acclaimed movie.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Like.
Okay. But you know,
how do you not
This
get
is
it?
the part
But
where
you
the
know-
followers will be like, ये किसके बारे में बात कर रही
हाँ,
है?
I'm talking about
exactly.
myself. I'm talking about myself.
But you know, I feel like if anyone's really in love with each other, it's the 13, 14, 15, 16, 17-year-olds.
18,
What are
19,
you
20,
saying?
21,
All of them.
No.
I feel
Till
everyone's in love with
17
each other.
No. Till 17 or till 18, it's like
Puppy
true
love.
Lost
Puppy
that
love.
train.
नहीं.
What are you getting at?
सुन तो, it's like true love भाई. ऐसा रिक्शा में घूमते रहते यार वो रील्स देखे हैं तुम लोगों ने.
Oh my god. I think I know you're talking
Yeah.
about.
बच्चा मत बोलना. Guys, I love y'all. I really love y'all.
No, for sure they're watching.
No,
Yeah.
you don't know who she's talking about.
I know. I saw it in the washroom. Only you showed me the reel.
Ah,
na?
that.
Too funny.
Yeah, they are very
So
funny.
funny.
Hey,
It's just
no harm.
No, हाँ मुझे पता है तुम क्या कर रहे हो.
अभी violated.
मैं उड़ी मार दूंगी.
उड़ी मार दूंगी.
नहीं, wait.
That's Ori, bro.
That's a thumbnail for you
You
guys.
gotta do it properly. You gotta do it properly. You gotta stick to her.
चिपका चिपकी करो.
Molest her.
ए बाप रे.
Sorry.
Ori? Sorry.
Yeah.
Anyway.
But
No,
we
Yeah,
love those
so
guys.
that was that.
They're
I
very funny.
read like a non-romance movie that's very critically acclaimed, but people don't get the hype around it because there's no romance.
Yeah.
If I tell you my original thought that I actually had, that was uncensored version of this, then you would be like, yeah, that makes more sense.
Tell me off.
Okay, I was like,
Off camera.
yeah, cool.
Bro, speaking about like, you know, you have a husband but you're looking for a boyfriend. Around that, there's this, I don't know if you've heard of this site called Ashley Madison.
I know. I've seen that. Ashley Madison on Netflix, right? Yeah, that was crazy.
Oh my god.
That
So
was
there's this site called
crazy.
Ashley Madison, which is a dating website for married
Married
couples.
couples.
So if you want to have
People
an
in
affair,
open relationships.
no, if you want to have an
No.
affair, it's explicitly
A
said.
mistress.
It's
If
very
you want to
sinister.
have an affair, you come to this site. So suppose I'm a married woman, she's a married guy, he's a married guy.
For sure, yeah. He
Yeah.
looks the part.
I'll spoil
the
you.
stakes are
I'll spoil you, and then I'll fuck 3 other women.
ये तो fuck boy हो गया भाई.
बाप रे.
नहीं,
Spoken like a true man.
That's exactly how married
No,
men
but
are
yeah,
nowadays.
so he
She's
will not-
aware of how married men are nowadays. I'm concerned, Ben. क्या कर रही है?
बहन छोड़ ना यार.
नहीं, this part though you didn't tell us. Huh?
Yeah, so what the fuck? Are you on Ashley Madison?
What the fuck?
She is Ashley Madison.
The site got shut down.
Yeah, so basically
Too bad. It's a joke, guys. Sorry.
cut off कर देना. कर दे. So she will not snitch because she's in a relationship. I'll not snitch because my marriage is at stake. So both of us will not snitch on each other, but we'll still have an affair.
That is how fucking affairs work.
Yeah, but then
but there's
if you
a
suppose
site
I
for
am a
it.
married woman, and if I go on Bumble or Hinge or something, their people are not married, right? So
Yeah,
they can
there's a
snitch on
chance.
my husband.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's a chance that those girls or those guys might not agree to
Yeah.
date you.
Yeah,
Fair,
because you're
fair,
married.
fair.
Fair.
So they had millions of users across the world.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay, within
That
like
is
months-
concerning.
I
Within
know.
months of opening the site,
Okay.
and they had this slogan called "When monogamy becomes monotony."
Yeah.
And I was like, that was like one of the
Ew.
initial phrases that they wanted to use for marketing.
I
but
don't
I'm like,
stand by it, but it's really smart.
and they made
good
like
marketing.
millions.
Don't say it. Don't give them
They
the
made
satisfaction.
millions out of it, bro.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
And you know when you go on
The
Google,
cheating industry, big
Bro,
cheating.
when you go on Google and you type Ashley Madison, it's not the show that comes up; it's a site that used to come up a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
So what's the show
How
about?
long?
It's
ago?
about uncovering these stories and
Yeah,
how they
how the
started.
families
How
got
long
to
ago
know
was this
how
site
families
established?
got to know.
Years ago.
2011, 2010.
Oh, that's like
Yeah.
14, 15
Just
years
like
back.
where when Facebook came into picture and
Uh-huh.
everything, and people started socializing more.
Mhm.
So that's when it was like a whole thing in the US. It started in the US,
For sure.
and
It's just such a.
I know. I don't.
Nah,
forget it.
People
Forget
who
it.
started
Forget it.
it also took so much pride in it, and I'm
Yeah.
like, bro, what are you saying?
What are
And
you
the guy-
saying?
What are
da?
you saying, da?
and the guy, so the owner of the site,
Hmm.
he was like, no,
Oh,
my,
he was a man.
of course,
Um,
he
But
was
there were
like
women
my,
also involved in this. There was
Yeah,
this woman
yeah.
who was advocating wholly for it. Like,
yeah.
Whoa.
okay,
So,
That's a little concerning, man.
no, it's just
you can't
stupid
say it's
of
business
the
at
no
the end.
no. It's just stupid of the people to have such morals. it's
Yeah,
not a man or a woman thing. It's just
Yeah,
stupid.
as a
No, I'm not
person.
saying that. I'm just saying it's very concerning.
yeah. For anyone.
For
to say
anyone,
it.
exactly.
Yeah. So I
but
was-
aren't there conversations of like actually people saying that like humans are not supposed to be monogamous? Like, of course, it's like polyamorous people spreading this shit. I don't know.
because they
But-
can't keep their shit in their pants.
So you're gonna make some people mad with that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I don't
No, you're
care.
actually gonna do that.
Yeah,
Like
see,
some people are actually
polyamorous
for
people,
polyamory.
That's fine. That's okay.
You have
bro.
to
It's
each
like,
their own.
see, it's fine if all the parties involved
Are-
know what's
know,
going
exactly.
on.
Yeah,
But if your
exactly.
husband or wife is in the dark and you're having an affair, that's like of course wrong.
That's cheating.
But don't you
That's
feel like that
cheating.
could also like bleed into like emotional manipulation where like I really want to have this relationship be polyamorous and the other person maybe it's if it's like a woman who's like dependent
Bro,
like
how are
will
you
not
sleeping at night?
leave this person and be like okay fine I guess we'll be fucking polyamorous if you want that.
Yeah.
It's
many
like
people-
they'll on the face it'll be like yeah it's a mutual
many
thing but
people on the side would also be like, you know,
Exactly.
उनके partners को पता होगा कि क्या चल रहा है. We can't judge and be like
So-
they're always cheating.
where I was
But like
coming,
it still doesn't fit right. with
where I
me.
was going to is the CEO of that site. He was like, "No, I've never cheated on my wife.
Yeah.
Listen. I just have this site. I've never like spoken to any women. This that, and he had his wife come up to interview." And say that I
Yo.
really trust my husband and everything, and later his wife found out through other emails that he
Yeah.
was cheating and everything.
Shit.
Yes, I'd seen
Yeah.
this
Saw that
other
coming.
podcast,
Saw that
which I
coming.
don't remember the name of, but then they had mentioned about this one guy who was a pastor. Okay. And he had like an extramarital affair with another woman.
aren't pastors like not supposed to get married though?
No, some do.
Okay, the nuns don't get married.
Yeah.
No,
No,
okay.
even priests don't, but like there's some kind who do. I'm not
Okay.
pretty sure of it.
Fair.
But I know
That
there
is
are a
weird.
lot of people over here in India also who are like infidelity, what?
Infidelity.
No.
Adulteration.
No, physical cheating is not like physical.
Emotional cheating.
Emotional cheating is cheating. That's what they say.
That's what women say, right?
Yeah, that's what women say. So
Yeah.
I genuinely want to know what cheating means to these people because like if it's not physical, if it's not emotional, what is it?
Exactly.
What is it at the end of the day?
I really don't
I can't wrap my
know.
head around it, and I
can't.
don't even want to.
Yeah.
I feel like if I have a man, like just be like, don't hide shit and say the truth about like hanging out
Whatever.
with bitches, and I'll be good.
Exactly.
Or just
Like just do that. That's enough.
honestly, at this point, it's just like if you are with someone else, come and tell me that you want to be with someone else. I will leave you.
That would break my heart.
I will. Yeah,
That's
I
better
know it
than
would-
cheating.
Yeah,
Fair,
I
fair.
know it would break my heart too. But like,
I'd live with that than
yeah,
cheating.
Exactly.
Yes,
That's fair.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
the thought of being like the thought of not knowing what your partner is doing is just very like
Scary.
Anyway, let's
Being
talk
in the
about
dark.
something less grim now.
Yeah.
iPhone is now blue.
Ew.
And I
Bro,
love it.
no.
Ultramarine.
I fucking hate that
Oh,
color, bro. I
God.
fucking hated the pink also. It's so bad. What the,
the
fuck
pink.
are you doing?
Okay, I
Axel?
don't care about
What
the
the
pink. Now
fuck
you're
are
gonna
you
listen to
doing?
me because ultramarine blue is the color of my fucking dreams. I need that phone. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I just changed my phone and I can't even think about buying that color for like the next 3-4 years. And I'm so mad because it's gonna go away. It's gonna go away and I'm so sad. But then I went from like an iPhone 10 to an iPhone 14, which the camera is like, I'll have to say, no, they changed the camera as well. They made it like the
Ah,
iPhone
yeah,
10.
Like the 10.
Yeah.
They made it like the 10 again, but it's like wider. Anyway, what were you saying? What were you saying? I really like that color.
You know those reels where they give like a Samsung phone to the shopkeeper and they're like, "Bhai,
iPhone
isko
mein kar do."
iPhone convert
Yes.
kar."
Love that.
I love that.
Love.
Give it to him, bro. Give it to
It's
him.
not
We'll
even,
do
it's
it.
not even Samsung, bro. It's
like
Oppo.
Redmi,
Xiaomi.
yeah,
Or it's
Xiaomi.
like,
Bhai, मेरे को iPhone 15
They do a very good job. They do
They
a
will-
spot on job.
No, not a spot on job.
No,
it's like a
dude.
golden border
it's
there.
No,
Fuck
it's
that.
good. It's good.
It's really
business.
good.
I've
It's
seen
really
people,
good.
I've seen people in trains.
It's
with
damn
that,
clean.
And half the time.
Yeah,
that was
sometimes
like,
you're like caught off guard. It's like पीछे से iPhone है, आगे
oh,
से ये
yeah.
interface कैसा है?
Right,
ये
right,
क्या हो रहा है? Yeah, it is interesting
Oh,
like that.
Samsung का ringtone बजा पर 3 कैमरा हो.
In camera.
And sometimes they have a Samsung with an iPhone ringtone.
Yes.
Yeah,
I have those.
Sandra,
I
you
know
gotta,
those
you
people.
gotta, you gotta.
I know those
there
people.
was this guy in my class. He had Nokia का ringtone on his iPhone.
He's a
and,
G.
and he used to never keep his phone on
He's a
silent.
G.
और एक बार वो एग्जाम में लेके बैठा था.
That one.
No,
Yeah.
no, it was like ting. Ding 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 ding.
Yeah.
और फिर ऐसा
okay,
मतलब
okay.
सब professors.
Why? I even know people. There was this phase where Android people wanted the iPhone emoji, so there were these apps that used to convert your emojis into Apple emojis. I'm like, what is going on?
Speaking of emojis,
Like they would insert that software जहाँ पर सिर्फ emojis Apple है, बाकी सब Samsung है.
भाई ऐसे
सिर्फ emojis Apple वाले.
अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड वाले कीबोर्ड भी
हाँ,
आते
हाँ,
थे.
हाँ, वो app
Yeah.
आता था भाई.
वो
हाँ,
Galaxy,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
और वो-
Forest.
Flowers, panda.
Rainbow.
Yes.
So speaking of emojis, iOS 18 has a cool new feature where you can make your own emoji.
Yeah.
I wanted to try
You know,
it.
I can't download iOS 18 because I don't have enough storage.
I just did yesterday.
Yo,
I
how
hate
is
the
it? The control
control
center.
panel. That sucks.
You'll get used to it.
Bro, even
The
I
change is ugly as.
even
Whoa,
I can't, even
is
I
that so
can't
bad?
even I can't download it because I have a Samsung.
You know, I'm honestly so like that कि सॉफ्टवेयर चेंज होता है मुझे उतना डिफरेंस भी नहीं मालूम
तूने
पड़ा.
किया?
Difference उतना heavy
पता
नहीं
नहीं
भाई.
हो जाता है कभी
बहुत
कभी
फालतू
कभी
पागल
changes
ही फोन
किए.
बता.
बहुत फालतू
रुको
changes किए.
देखते हैं हम लोग इसने अपडेट किया है या नहीं.
Yeah, just see.
Notification panel से समझ जाएगा, कंट्रोल पैनल से नहीं किया है.
नहीं किया. ये गोल गोल हो
भाई
जाएगा.
भाई ये देख
बोल
ये
बोल
देख
हाँ.
ये देख. मेरा
अब दिखाती
अभी
हूँ.
अभी नहीं अभी डेटा के लिए
मेरा देखना है मेरा देखना.
पूरा अंदर जाना पड़ता है. पहले इट वाज कन्वीनियंट, अभी ऐसा करना पड़ता है पूरा.
That's
उसको क्या बता रही है?
दिखा दिखा.
समझ आ रहा है but like
They put hotspot but not data on the main this
Very-
thing.
अरे but you
very
can
bad,
edit.
very
You
bad.
can
Can't
edit.
edit.
ऐसा क्यों किया
Yes,
है?
you can.
Oh.
That's one big part of iOS 18 where you can like edit shit. Don't do it right now.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
ए हाँ किसी ने तो मेरे किसी कोई तो फ्रेंड ने अपना नाम भी लिखाया है उधर.
भूल जाता है क्या?
गजनी. No, it was cute यार. She had a heart and everything. It was
Very
very
cute.
cute.
तो अपना नाम कौन लिखता है यार?
बट मुझे आईफोन का ना एक
गजनी।
बात नहीं समझ आता है कि हर मॉडल जब वो निकाल, ठीक है चल आईफोन 5 and 6 ब्यूटीफुल सेक्सी मजा आ गया यूज करके
Yeah.
भाई 6 क्या बात कर रही है. मेरा ऐसे हो गया था फोन
भाई,
वो.
बट वो पुराना भी तो था
तूने फेंक दिया
जब
नीचे से.
आया था.
नहीं
listen,
नहीं नहीं
पटक दिया.
वो नहीं फेंका था मैंने. उसके
after
बाद वाला फेंका
5
था.
6 was beautiful. फिर 7 8 बुरा हो गया.
Yeah.
9
हाँ.
आया ही नहीं.
नहीं है.
फिर 10 आ
भूल
गया.
गए वो लोग.
भूल गए.
10 was
10
sexy.
sexy.
Sexy भाई.
Beautiful.
My
Bhai-
iPhone 10 was 6 years old.
Yes.
It worked like a fucking charm. Sometimes
Yes.
I think the 10 worked better than the 14.
10
I agree.
They nailed it भाई. 10
10 they
fucking
nailed it.
nailed it.
Yeah.
Face recognition. Apple was the first one to do it. Wow.
Yeah.
फिर 11-12 फिर potty
भाई
किया,
मतलब
Potty.
अंधेरे
13
में भी-
sexy किया।
अंधेरे में भी खुल जाता था मतलब
हाँ,
क्या
हाँ, हाँ,
crazy
13 भी
है
होता है,
That is
यार।
concerning.
Yeah. Yes. It is concerning, but it's convenient.
It's very
Yeah.
convenient.
Concerning but convenient.
Convenience over concern.
Yeah.
Check your pick.
Privacy किसको चाहिए?
No,
जो
but
देखना देख
Apple
लो।
probably
No,
provides
dude, but like
privacy
फिर
and
13 अच्छा किया, वो discontinue कर दिया, अच्छा फोन निकाल दिया, फिर
हाँ।
14-15 फिर potty किया, अब 16 का पता नहीं।
मतलब potty रख रहा है.
भाई यार, मतलब keep it
13
stable,
was nice.
otherwise shit on
I
every
think
phone.
I have a feeling that
13 was
16 will
nice.
be very good. I'll tell you why.
The camera.
Because
this-
new.
मुझे
No.
सिर्फ वो कैमरा के लिए चाहिए बस।
The year 2024 has been good so far. Even though bad shit has happened to me,
Touch wood.
but like certain years you just know. Like 2024 was a good, like
Yeah, it was
take
a
the
good year.
music,
I
take
think
the
it was a decent year for me.
no, not for you. Like overall culture wise, the music,
Okay.
the things that are happening, the concerts,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
like the events
I
and
agree.
everything. The things that are happening in the community are great.
Yeah,
And in times like these, like technology also, like
we hit 10K.
We hit 10K.
dude.
Besharam happened this year.
Besharam. Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, best year.
What else has
Exactly.
happened? Diljit's concert.
Yeah.
So I-
insane.
Okay.
20 मिनट में टिकट सोल्ड क्या चल क्या है?
I have
The passes.
What?
Srushti
no,
Chal.
I don't have the passes, but I have a story. So
Go on.
Why does she have
12th
to preface
and
it?
13th April, after my birthday is on 12th April. 13th
Happy
April.
birthday.
You didn't know?
13th April, it was BMW Joytown in
ये क्या नाम ले
BKC.
रही
I
है?
hate her for going there without me.
And you
Um,
cursed me well enough.
Yes.
So on 13th, this was it was Diljit's concert at night. He was performing, and I specifically went there for Diljit. I went very late.
गाड़ी वाड़ी छोड़ो मैं तो दिलजीत कर दे
सुनो यार, तो फिर मैं गई अंदर और मुझे लगा कि VIP टिकट्स है, क्योंकि मैं जितने भी पहले के कॉन्सर्ट्स में गई हूँ मैं VIP टिकट से गई हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे प्रॉब्लम जनरली मुझे ज़्यादा क्राउड वगैरह it's very difficult for me to breathe.
So you're
And-
claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like I get very anxious and मेरा सर पकड़ता है, मुझे उल्टी जैसा होता है and I feel like I'm going to die.
Okay.
And I thought
बिना दारू
she
के.
just literally catches you off guard every time. Like that day we were getting out of the house.
let me complete this
Okay,
story
right.
and then do that.
I won't be able to because the moment would be gone. But
Okay.
anyway.
She'll be dead.
And then I was expecting it to be a VIP ticket because my friends got that for me as like a birthday gift. And I go inside and it's not a VIP ticket.
Oh shit.
And
The horror.
and the audacity. And it's very crowded. Very, 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 very crowded.
Got it.
And I started feeling claustrophobic. I am getting all anxious and I'm getting all the palpitations and everything. And I just felt like I have to get out of here. And I got out of there. Somehow my friends helped me and I'm getting through the crowd. I lost my bracelet.
Oh shucks.
Which?
Which
Shh.
one?
She lost it.
I lost
Let's not talk about it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't wanna talk
I
about
thought you
it.
were maneuvering through the crowd and Diljit just came.
That would have been
was like,
iconic. कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Like bracelet किसका है?
नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Bracelet
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
कहाँ जा रहे हो? आपको स्टेज पे आना है? आप पॉडकास्ट करोगी क्या?
आप फेमस होंगी.
7 crore.
दूसरों के दुख पे हंसते हैं ना.
हंस नहीं रहे तेरे
Bro,
पे?
you lost a bracelet. What else are we going to
And I
what
did
if
not
Noah-
even see Diljit, bro. It was so
Oh, she didn't see that. That was more interesting than the bracelet.
Yeah, you forgot the punchline.
बोलने ही नहीं दिया
पूरा
punchline.
joke build up था.
बोलने ही नहीं दिया.
Guys, you know what you did? You were like, and then guys, I lost my bracelet.
अरे तो उसके बाद बोलना था मेरे को.
But I didn't see Diljit. ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलते story.
ऐसे बोला ही ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलते. बोल ही नहीं
Bro,
दिया.
but you remember that one time, like, speaking of like the batshit things that she says, we're getting out of, you and me were there. She's getting out, we're getting out of my house. out of nowhere. She's like, guys, if I don't get married now, I'll adopt.
I was there.
You were there. We both just like held our hands like, क्या बोलती है ये?
We have to actually like stand and take a moment of क्या बोला इसने?
So we actually have to hold hands because we
Yeah.
need that emotional
Guys,
support.
I want to tell y'all something.
We're shook it. Crazy होने वाला है. We're shook it.
हाथ पकड़.
So speaking about concerts, even Lola's happening in the month of March, and like I was never hyped about Lola or any concert. Like Diljit,
Yeah.
yes, but tickets चले गया. अब
चले
क्या
गया.
करूँ मैं?
ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो
खत्म
गया.
हो गया. Why? And then I see Lola,
Mm-hmm.
and guess who's coming?
Shawn Mendes.
No, fuck him.
I believe he got stitches and
I
everything.
saw talking about Shawn Mendes. I saw him recently, and he has like a
You know him?
on Instagram, and he has like a full-on beard and everything, and he's looking kind of delicious.
Okay.
Like
Delicious
That
daddy.
Camilla didn't do it for him.
yeah.
That Camilla. Even the song Taste by Sabrina Carpenter
Yeah,
is
I know,
about him.
I know.
And
Really?
Camilla.
Yeah.
You'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you.
Kissing
She's
you.
talking to Camilla.
Yeah.
If you want forever, I bet you do. You just have to taste me when he's
Yeah.
kissing you. Like she
Oh.
got her cooties or something. Yeah. Anyway, who are you excited about?
Louis Tomlinson.
Tom Linson hai uska?
Tomlinson.
Is it okay? So Louis is the guy that the people used to ship Harry with, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
No, I have
Yes.
something to say though.
yes.
So is Louis who are Louis है और कौन है? One Direction वाला?
Louis Tomlinson, Harry Styles, Niall Horan, Liam Payne, Zayn Malik.
Niall Horan और Liam Payne.
किसका बात करना है?
एक बंदा आया था Impulsive podcast पे और हग कर गया था.
I think it was Liam Payne because Niall is on tour. Zayn doesn't do podcasts.
Who was the last one to come out with their own single?
Good question.
Wait, Zayn came out first.
Yeah.
I think it was either Liam. No, Liam. They all came out at the same
Same
time.
But whatever.
time, yeah.
But like he was like being so fucking
How did he look?
cocky or white.
Golden hair?
I
No.
don't really remember. He
Brunette?
had a beard. He had a
Yeah,
mustache.
Liam Payne.
Liam
Liam Payne.
Payne.
That's
Liam
for sure.
Payne.
You know how Harry Styles
And
looks.
Chisel.
Yeah.
Chisel
yeah,
was
yeah.
a guy.
No, he looked like a bondu, bro.
Yeah, that's
And
Liam
especially
Payne.
how he was talking, he was
That's
like,
Liam Payne.
all the boys in the band knew they didn't have, they like couldn't fuck with me because I like beat them up or whatever, and it was so cringe
That is
to
so
watch.
Liam Payne coded.
I feel Liam is he's like, he tries to fit in.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
So-
I mean, I love
that,
I love
that
all five.
sentence alone, I could tell.
So from
I love all
whoever
five.
formed the band, Simon
Cowell.
Simon Cowell. So he
Yeah.
once told Liam, right?
Liam.
Tells on the podcast, ke, yeah. So like Simon told me that I was like,
the leader.
I was who the band was built around.
No.
I bet Simon has said that to all of the boys.
He never said that.
Like, of course,
This
they're
Fifth
gonna, for them
Harmony-
to stay.
Fifth Harmony and One Direction were formed together on the same platform.
Mm-hmm. On X Factor,
On
right?
X Factor.
yeah.
That's very weird. They don't do that in India.
They don't.
There's no band culture in India.
India, exactly.
Hmm.
There is
Hmm.
Sanam.
What's Sanam?
Sanam the band.
Sanam the band.
I'm not aware.
Same.
Whoa.
They're damn cool.
They were famous like 3 to 4 years back.
What songs?
4 or 5 years
Just
back,
like they would
used
like
to,
make remakes of various songs, I think, right?
Yeah, Gulabi Aakhe
Yeah,
was
yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
famous.
They don't compose their own music if I'm not
yeah.
wrong. I don't know.
They make covers.
Faintly
Yeah,
remember
They used to make
something.
covers.
They like came and went.
And
Okay, then
the
probably
lead
that was
singer, Sanam Puri, he has done some really good songs.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay.
So what were you
Liam
saying?
Payne. Nah, I'm done. I just think he's weird. I thought it was the Louis guy.
No. So
Sorry.
Louis Tomlinson is coming. He recently came out with an album. Like I didn't get to hear the full album, but I really want to go to his concert. I mean, it's 1 out of 5.
1 out of 5 matlab?
5 लोग हैं ना?
Headliner hai.
Mhm.
5 लोग हैं. One Direction में, X band में.
हाँ.
At least one is coming to India.
Yeah.
Band is not coming together ever.
I know, but I can at least see one of them.
Okay, fair.
Yeah.
I always dream कि यार एक बार तो 5 को देखेंगे, but
तेरे पास Spotify है?
मैं
Google है
तुझे
क्या?
इतना मारूंगी ना.
गूगल है ना उसमें इमेजेस में जाने का वहाँ पे वन डायरेक्शन का पिक्चर आएगा
वो arrow बता रहा है. सीधा.
you will know also who's who
I know by their voices also now.
oh you'll see them
Bro.
But I really want to go to London.
Nah, it's okay. You will, inshallah.
I don't mind paying that much of a price just to see Louis Tomlinson.
you don't mind pain
Pain? Job है क्या?
You know that reel, oh no Liam only pain.
No.
meme. No, Liam, only Payne.
Sure.
I can see that being me.
Yeah.
So
Anyway.
I'm excited about that.
I should say something and I completely forgot. Wait. Arey ha. Speaking of something about intelligence, yesterday I took an IQ test. I don't
Nice
remember.
segue.
Somebody
So
I
smooth.
was like- Wait.
Smooth, Zia Ben.
I took an IQ test. Okay, it was for my like submission. Okay, I had to make a report on it, and I was supposed to do
Negative
it.
में है ना?
I was supposed to do it on somebody else, but I was like, "There's nobody at home. Might as well I'll do it." I did it, and I was like, "Shit, yaar, I'm doing really badly," because one of the sections was water reflection. It was a non-verbal test, so you have to see
Okay, understood.
water, and you know me. मेरा left right
थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है.
bro.
थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है.
वो टेस्ट में 20 क्वेश्चंस थे.
अरे बाप रे.
मैंने सारे अटेम्प्ट किए.
गलत.
19 गलत.
मैंने बोला था
19 गलत. मैंने बोला मैं इतनी खराब. मैंने मिड टेस्ट ना गूगल भी किया कैसी होती है वाटर रिफ्लेक्शन. मुझे फिर भी नहीं समझा.
भाई.
सच में नहीं समझा भाई. उसकी वजह से पता है मेरा बाकी तीनों टेस्ट में मैंने डिसेंट ही किया. उसकी वजह से पता है मेरा पहले तो मैंने कैलकुलेशन भी गलत किया.
अरे
तो मेरा
बाप रे.
आंसर नेगेटिव में आ रहा था. मैं
अरे बाप रे.
डिजेनरेट.
आज स्टूडेंट भाई. आज
बोला
स्टूडेंट.
भाई मैंने बोला था
student
वो सब
अरे ताली दे.
डिजेनरेट क्या कुछ तो अच्छा था. डिस्कार्ड नहीं.
अरे हाँ. Discard कर दिया.
डिफेक्टिव.
और बाप.
Defective.
That's really harsh. Defective face बुला दिया तुझे भाई.
Exactly.
That is so harsh.
I know. But then finally,
Put it suddenly.
when I did it correctly, I was average.
Okay.
मतलब तू पहले गई गूगल पे आंसर देख के आई फिर वापस की
सिर्फ एक सब टेस्ट के लिए.
और उसके बाद भी
नहीं मैंने गूगल किया कि वाटर रिफ्लेक्शन में एक्चुअली उल्टा सीधा होता क्या है.
तू आंसर्स देख के आई
नहीं, the method.
Answer
She just
हाँ,
saw the
I-
process.
आई नो बाबा
वो आंसर नहीं हुआ लेकिन वो आंसर
But
बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ.
Google
मैं
किया
वो
फिर भी
टेस्ट का
गलत.
नाम डालकर आंसर भी देख सकती थी.
गूगल किया फिर भी गलत जवाब दिया.
अरे बट उसकी वजह
उसके
से मेरा
बाद भी
नीचे आ
average.
गया यार. मैं एवरेज आ गई. मेरा अबव एवरेज है
अब बस
पक्का.
excuses सुनाई दे रहे हैं
अभी तू
मुझे.
गुलाबा में बिकेगी.
But yeah, guys, I'm average on the Wechsler's test of
You didn't know
intelligence.
that already?
You know, NVTI. I completely forgot what I did also.
See?
I submitted it, but I submitted it on
अरे
time.
वाह. अरे वाह.
सही हो या गलत सब
जय माता दी. जय माता दी.
JFT.
I actually did it once.
Even now.
Not in a school or a
Academic setting.
yeah, so it was I think it was some kind of like a
That personality test or something.
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
not
16
not-
personality.
No,
ABCD,
not
DCB,
personality
ABCD,
test.
DCB.
I took the personality test very seriously.
Yeah.
Really?
Same when I did.
मैंने तो
Even I
एवे ही
did.
ले लिया.
My personality
Like,
changed, you know. After
I-
4 years, I
I
did it
took
again
that.
in class.
मेरे ईगो पे हर्ट
मुझे बोला था कि
My-
तुमको साइंस लेना पड़ेगा. हमने कहा अरे बाबा मैथ्स नहीं हो रहा मेरे से.
मेरे
मुझे एजुकेशन बोला था. मुझे बच्चे पसंद है मुझे.
मेरे इस पे आया था यूनिफॉर्म सर्विसेज.
या भी नहीं.
And that was also 90.
M10 यूनिफॉर्म के बाजू में एक दुकान खोलेगी क्या?
कौन सा हाउस येलो
Yellow.
ब्रो फॉर मी लाइक engineering के
अच्छा है हाथ पे
Engineering.
हाथ पे पैसा.
ये संजना.
bro
You know what we're thinking, right?
I know exactly what you're thinking and I was like yeah you fix things around the house na not the same thing.
आई थिंक मुझे इंजीनियरिंग आया था और साइंस का कुछ आया था.
मुझे
आई रियली लव लाइक
Okay,
प्लेइंग
so-
विद स्क्रूज एंड शिट.
अभी
I still do.
ये
इसी
पता
तरह गिर गया
चलेगा.
ना?
गिर गया भाई. अब
अभी
मिल नहीं
ये
रहा है.
पता चलेगा मेरे पेरेंट्स को, but I kind of manipulated that test.
Of
So
course.
any question that was related to science, healthcare sector, or like closely, even like closely
Yeah,
related
yeah.
to science, I purposely was like, you know, selecting.
Oh,
the
now
wrong
who's
answers.
cheating? Now who's cheating, huh?
I did not go to Google and search mirror reflection and then came back and
Listen,
gave it
I
and
was
still
I
became
was just
average.
clearing my concept.
The thing is, I kind of empathize with you because even during lockdown, you know how our tests used to be online, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bro, we had a fucking question bank with like answer. No, bro, I
And
tell you,
free will to
you laugh.
copy.
Ours was worse.
Oh.
Ours
No,
was
no,
worse.
listen. So we had the test. I should change the screen, go to the question bank. Bencho, वहाँ पे भी हगी मैं.
Sanjana, we had a Discord channel.
अरे that is too much work, ना.
Bro, we
Srishti.
तो had a normal
Imagine-
WhatsApp group, huh?
No. Imagine the teachers give you ये questions में से ही आएंगे.
हमको भी दे देते.
हगी.
हमको भी दे देते.
Bro, people were getting, oh, I got A+.
I got a B.
I got an A.
Even I got an A.
भाई अगर
हम लोग
चीटिंग
ने-
करके तुम गलत कर रहे हो
Bro,
तो
मैं
तुम्हारे
cheating
में थू
में
है.
मैं चीटिंग में आलस कर रही हूँ.
तुम्हारे में थू है.
पता है.
भाई सब थूक रहे हैं मेरे पे उसके बाद.
वैलिड है भाई.
नहीं,
Cheating
हम
करके
लोग का
कैसे agree है?
एक डिस्कॉर्ड का चैनल बना के रखा था हमने और रोज उस पे आ जाते थे टाइम पे और इतना मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल का ये मेरा आइडिया था. सेक्शन ए, सेक्शन बी, सेक्शन सी होता था. सेक्शन ए में होते थे 25 क्वेश्चंस, सेक्शन बी में होते थे 10 क्वेश्चंस एंड सेक्शन सी में होते थे 10 क्वेश्चंस. तो मैं बोलती थी मैं सेक्शन सी करती हूँ क्योंकि उसमें सारे पैराग्राफ पढ़ के वो
जवाब
आंसर
देने थे.
और उसमें सेक्शन सी में कैसा होता था देयर आर 2 करेक्ट आंसर्स बट एक का वेटेज ज्यादा है और एक का वेटेज कम है. सो मैं हमेशा बोलती थी कि आई विल डू दिस, कोई एक सेक्शन बी कर लो और कोई 2 सेक्शन ए कर लो. तो हम लोग 4 लोग बैठ के पूरा पेपर एक साथ करते थे. हाँ, और फिर
रूल.
पेपर को पेपर खत्म करने के लिए हम लोग को 2-3 घंटा देते थे. 1 घंटे में सबका पेपर खत्म. फिर से एक बंदा स्टार्टिंग से सारे आंसर बोलेगा.
Yes.
A से लेकर
I will do
log.
you one better.
We had
क्या I'm gonna. We
Yes.
used to go to one tuition, sir, for one subject,
Subject.
which we
Oh,
won't
even I
reveal.
used to go to the.
हाँ,
Yeah.
you
But
joined very late.
I joined very late.
He was a G.
He was a
Okay.
G dude.
He knows
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
हमारे कॉलेज का पेपर है.
हाँ.
वो WhatsApp ग्रुप पे आंसर डाल रहा है.
Yeah.
मतलब sir is
Wow.
giving us the
Yeah,
answers.
dude. He was a G dude. He was amazing.
मात्र 13,000 रुपए में.
अरे
Fuck.
भाई.
And he's still there. huh?
He's still there.
This is the smartest thing I'm done. No, I can't use this anymore यार. But ठीक है, fine. हो गया, जो करना था कर लिया. So iPhone और AirPods में ना एक फीचर है एक्टिव लिसनिंग करके. So if I
iPhone की ऐड नहीं लग रही.
दे दो भाई. एक चारों को शेयर कर लेंगे.
संजना को दे दो भाई.
संजना को
थोड़े टाइम के बाद सैलरी आने दे.
सो आईफोन में एक फीचर है एक्टिव लिसनिंग करके. तो मैं एयरपॉड्स पहनती थी, मेरे बाल आगे, फोन रखती थी मेरे फ्रेंड्स के यहाँ पे और मतलब मेरे फ्रेंड्स बैठते थे यहाँ पे फर्स्ट बेंच पे. मैं गई हूँ टीचर के पास, मतलब लाइक यहाँ पे इतना सही डिस्टेंस है. सो माई फ्रेंड्स कैन नो व्हाट द टीचर इज आस्किंग मी
Okay.
एंड दे आर सिटिंग, माई फोन इज विद देम. एक कान में एयरपॉड्स है, बाल है आगे और वाइवा चालू है मेरा. और ये फ्रेंच का वाइवा है. मुझे फ्रेंच का फो भी नहीं आता, ठीक है,
पता है.
फो भी नहीं
वो
आता.
होता ही नहीं है क्योंकि उसमें तो F होता है. उसमें F होता है सृष्टि, मराठी नहीं है.
और टीचर जो भी पूछ रहे ये लोग आंसर बोल रहे हैं और मैं वैसे बोल रही हूँ. और थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक लगने के लिए आई एम लाइक
Yeah.
एमिली इन पेरिस देखा है आपने?
मैम आई डोंट नो दिस. 1-2 ऐसे मैंने
हाँ.
छोड़े और फिर मैम बोलती है आई हैव नेवर सीन यू इन क्लास.
Yeah.
And then I was like,
Actually, ma'am, I'm taking French class.
Private.
and then I was like,
Duolingo.
ma'am, I'm on the sports team. So
झूठ.
अच्छा भागते फ्रेंच बोलती है तुम.
that's Spanish.
Oh yeah, you didn't you fucking Spanish, not French.
Spanish तो अभी एमिटी में था ना.
अच्छा.
JC में
जेसी में फ्रेंच था. और मैं घंटा भाई मेरे को टीचर्स की शक्ल नहीं पता थी, क्या मैं बोलूं फ्रेंच. And then I was like, ma'am, I'm actually in the sports team. Oh my god. So like,
This makes that ball joke very funny.
very dude.
yeah. And then she was like, okay, fine, nice.
She bought that?
Yeah, and then she's like, still, you've prepared very well, and it's nice. And then I see the result. मेरे को फ्रेंच में A+ है.
What did you expect?
और पेपर के टाइम पे भी मतलब मैं ऐसा लिख रही थी एंड देन मेरे आगे एक बंदा बैठा था. तो मैंने उसको बोला था कि देखो जो चाहिए वो मैं दे दूंगी,
Oh.
मतलब गिफ्ट
हाँ.
gift
Okay.
materials. And then he was like कि नहीं I'll still help you. And then
He liked you.
Yeah, pretty privileged.
and then मैंने आधा पेपर सॉल्व किया and then he was just like मेरा पेपर खत्म होने दे, I'll help you. मेरे को एंड तक लग रहा था कि ये मुझे
डिच कर देगा.
हाँ,
Yeah.
बट देन नहीं, उसका पेपर हुआ, उसने मेरा पेपर लिया, उसने पूरा सॉल्व किया और फिर मेरे को वापस दिया.
अरे बाप रे, 100
Pretty
की-
privileged
क्या
is
दिया
real,
उसको
bro.
तूने बदले में?
नहीं, उसको नहीं चाहिए था कुछ भी, तो फिर मैंने उसको एक स्टारबक्स की कॉफी दे दी.
बेचारा,
मैंने उसको एक
बेचारा।
Starbucks
ये
कॉफी
दोस्त
दे दी.
किधर है? जरा हेल्प लगेगा तो
थोड़ा
please.
हॉट बनना पड़ेगा उसको। फिर मिल जाता है।
तू है हॉट.
वो मुझे पता है।
फिर.
लाइफ
बंदे खराब
पार्टनर
है।
अंडरस्कोर डज नॉट थिंक दैट। मैंने
You
कितना
start
टेक्स्ट
your
किया
own.
यार,
I'm
मैंने
telling you,
कितना
start your
टेक्स्ट
own.
किया।
We will help you.
गाइस
hunt partners for
कमेंट डाउन
people.
बिलो अगर आपको बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए, अगर मैं चाहिए,
जिया आपकी
हम
मदद करेगी.
जोड़ी बनाएंगे।
जिया
Send
आपकी
pic,
मदद
dear.
करेगी.
सेंड पिक।
So, I am sure everyone of us has seen the Nicocado avocados.
I have. I was.
Yeah.
I don't know why I
scared.
saw it.
That was very weird.
It was traumatic. Like,
I was scared.
I was
just
very
very
scared.
I was concerned more than scared.
both.
I found
actually.
it
Yes.
Like,
very,
is he
very
healthy?
weird.
He's
Yeah.
not. He's not physically healthy, not
Mentally healthy,
for
clearly.
Sure. Like,
sure.
even like 7 months back when his last video had come out,
Mhm.
like, even like that phase where he was like clearly like not okay,
Not okay.
and like having insane amounts of food.
Hmm.
Like, even from the you didn't even need to like stay for like 2 minutes on his show to on his
Nobody
episode to like
yeah,
It was very creepy.
it was
bro.
very
Yeah.
very downhill very
Uncomfortable.
quickly.
Yeah.
uncomfortable to watch.
Hmm.
And even the relationship that he had with his boyfriend was so transparent on screen. And I
Yeah,
don't know if they
no, it was
fucking-
for the
yeah.
drama for sure.
See that
They used to
yeah.
have food fights on camera and they
Yes,
used to
yes,
post
yes.
it.
Yeah, and
It
then-
was clearly for the camera, but it was very
yeah,
uncomfortable
but
to
why
watch.
are you doing that? Like,
I
what's the
know.
purpose of it? What are you trying to
And
get
like,
out of it?
I've seen people who eat like shit tons amount of food at one time in one
Yeah.
sitting, but the way he eats it was just
He
not
wastes
okay.
it. He like drops it down.
Well,
Yeah,
at least
man.
he used to. So he grew from like a vegan influencer to a mukbanger to now some sort of a health spiritual freak.
Yes.
I don't know.
Uh,
What he's
I don't want to call him a freak, but
Yeah.
like he's just not acting like he's lost the plot.
Yeah.
Basically.
he's lost the plot.
He's not seeming well to the audience, and
I
it's
agree.
concerning.
I agree.
Some people are speculating that he had
Short.
filmed everything all at once
Like
and
2
then
years
started
worth of content time.
But then again, I have a counter argument to that because at times, he used to like have mukbangs of like trending food. Like if like
That
Jollibee
makes sense,
was
that
trending
makes
at that
sense.
time, he used to have Jollibee.
Or like if like they would come out
Yeah.
with new food items, he would try that
He
too.
would try them too. So
Mm.
it's a bit suspicious, but any which way is like going from that weight to the weight that he is
In
right now
7
in 7
months?
months,
It's
it's
insane.
jarring.
And people
Yeah.
also
He
like,
looks like a different person only. And
He looks like his
very
old self.
Even no, bro. Even back then, there's something different. There's something very scary about
Eerie.
Yeah.
eerie about him
Hmm.
now. And even the way he
Yeah,
like,
the
talks to the
eyebrows
camera.
Or
and
maybe
Yeah.
he's
Yes,
very
yes,
good
yes.
with the camera.
the
That-
eyebrows
that
and
could be
everything.
thing.
Yes.
Bro, I was so scared. I did not watch it further.
I couldn't watch the entire
Same.
video.
I only
watched,
watched
like,
the reel.
Yeah.
bits and parts of it. I watched like bits and parts of it, and then he was like, "I'm always 2 steps ahead." And
Yes,
the way
yes,
he like
yes.
looks in the
Oh my
camera
God,
and
no.
talks. Oh my god!
Oh
I
my
got the
God.
chills.
Dude.
Like,
Same.
I can't.
Definitely not cold.
I
yo.
wish I
Really?
could show.
Oh,
Yeah, दिख गया.
Zia तेरा भी दिखा.
नहीं हुआ मेरा.
Wow.
Sorry.
But yeah, there's something like off about that guy.
जा के वीडियो देख ले.
Okay. कौन सा बेशरम का?
We live चालू है इधर.
क्या बोल रही है? Am I at a बेशरम shoot?
Wow. But yeah,
That's weird.
that's weird.
I hope he
Very
gets better
weird.
soon.
Yeah.
Or if he's better, then I hope he stays like that. I don't really care.
Yeah, man,
People have lives that do not concern me. Something I learned this week. People
Yeah.
have lives that do not concern me.
Love that.
So they
And
can
then-
just do the
Yeah.
things that they like.
And yeah, I stay unbothered.
Yeah.
But again, there are like few people's lives.
I stay untriggered.
No. I thought of this term last night. It's that one friend or like somebody that you met at a party twice through people, but you just think they're so fucking cool.
Yeah.
Just like looking at their Instagram, like, damn, they're so like they're like the it girl, but they're not arrogant about it. And they're doing their thing. They don't know that you admire them so much.
Yes.
It's like a community celebrity.
Yeah.
You know that one friend I have. You know her,
I think
the
model.
the one that's a model.
Yes,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
model.
got it. Yeah,
Like
yeah,
she
yeah.
does not like, and she's not arrogant about it. She's hot. She's nice, but she doesn't know that I like.
Worship
her.
secretly
Hey.
admire her.
Yeah, worship her like that. Like, it's
Yeah, you
so-
have a crush on her.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
fucking goddess.
but it's not romantic, right? It's like a friend
yeah.
crush.
Yeah.
I have that all the time because there are so
Right?
many women only that I look at and I'm like, oh my god,
Yes.
you are so beautiful.
You're the
Yes.
community celebrity.
I have a
Yes,
crush on you.
exactly.
Yes.
Like, I have a crush on you.
And
like,
then-
I admire
and then,
the
like,
way they
drop dead
carry
gorgeous.
themselves.
Yes.
Their
Yes.
dressing, like, it's just like their aura. is
You know
just
what
so
does it
attractive.
for me?
Such
They're-
women, even in the most basic of the basic settings, they like give that
Yes.
drop dead gorgeous diva
can- you
aura.
can-
Energy.
I know.
The part that I hate the most is their boyfriend looks like some
Oh my God.
randomest weirdo.
So
Like, oh my
random.
random.
Yes,
Bro,
yes,
They
yes.
like the fuggliest men on earth.
Yes.
Yeah. And how do they bag such beautiful women? I don't get it.
Remy
I don't
from
get it.
Ratatouille is hotter than these guys.
Remy from Ratatouille is hot.
He's
Period.
very hot.
So hot.
No, I'm comparing
One of my
I'm
favorite
comparing
Pixar
them to a
movies.
rat. Yeah, rats are cuter
Yeah.
than these guys.
Anyway, so yeah, the community celebrity really needs to be a term.
Do y'all know about this concept called convenience crush?
Yeah.
Have you all seen that reel?
I was very recently enlightened on this term by someone.
By
Zia.
No, one second. That was not a convenience crush. That was a
Yeah,
boredom
we-
crush.
we
That was
know,
a
we
boredom
know.
there are many
crush.
types of
And that was-
crushes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you enlightened me on that.
So I
topic.
liked a boy.
Yeah, we know.
So funny, guys. That's so funny. Because he had to like a guy.
But like,
फिर
again,
भी-
he
फिर
didn't.
भी
I
गई तू life क्या था वो
क्या?
life क्या था life partner
Life
partner.
coach.
life partner
Life partner तो will give
But
me घर की मुर्गी दाल
Y'all
बराबर.
remember the way like when Zia disclosed that she potentially likes a guy, the three of us lost our shit. We're like,
I was
whoa,
driving.
that's new.
He
Yeah.
didn't.
I was driving and
Yeah.
stopped.
We were at a signal. But I would have hoped you
One
stopped.
signal I stopped at.
And there's a guy in the back seat,
Yeah,
like
we're like-
background. They're like, whoa.
No. I said,
What?
I've seen this guy. I don't know his name. He's not my type, but I feel like we'll hit it off. I didn't say I have a crush on him. But then I met him and then I was like, maybe I do.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I do. And then now that
But
went
that
nowhere.
wasn't a convenience
Yeah,
crush.
no,
That
no,
was
no,
not
no,
convenient
a
at all.
convenience crush is basically, it's not even romantic at all, you know. It's just
Yeah.
you see someone on a daily basis,
basis.
and you like get used to the
Like an
idea of
office
them.
crush.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Or
and
a
like you,
college crush.
yeah,
Yeah.
whatever. Like आप उनको रोज मिलते हो, रोज देखते हो, you just like them being there.
I've had a
It's just
convenience
so
crush.
convenient.
I've had a convenient crush in college.
Yes.
मोस्टली कॉलेज में ही होता है ऐसे तो आधे रिलेशनशिप भी कॉलेज में ऐसे ही स्टार्ट होते
Yes.
हैं तू रोज दिखता है तू रोज दिखती है
Oh
चल
my
साथ
God,
में रह
yes.
But,
Convenience
my
relationships.
question, my
Yeah.
question to y'all is is it okay to have a convenience crush if you are in a relationship?
No,
No.
That's
not
my
at all.
No.
brother
No,
we
this
literally
circles back to the
we literally-
polyamory.
we literally
Exactly.
talked about it for 20 minutes I think
Exactly.
Yeah.
But like I also saw this one reel in where she's like justifying it, that it's okay to
Yeah,
have
babe.
because it's like it's not romantic or whatever.
Nah.
It's just there because you know आप उनको रोज देखते हो. I'm like that's not
You're
okay.
psychologically
Yes.
like
Not okay.
like connected some way. So
Exactly.
that's
not a
okay.
fan, not a fan at all.
Exactly.
yeah.
Nah.
I love how these people are finding excuses to
Just
be a
justify
cheater.
their-
Just be a
justify
cheater,
their
yes.
behavior. I don't like it.
I don't. Yeah,
Same.
I agree. Like it's wrong. It's wrong. There's a justification to it. You can't maneuver through a
Nothing can
way
justify
and be like, oh,
cheating.
that's okay, you know.
People
like that.
say that it's a very blurry line, but
It's not.
It's not.
It
It's
is a-
very clear.
It is a blurry line, but then at the same time, I feel like those who know and can see it, can see it.
Yes.
Yeah.
People choose to make it blurry if they want
they
to
want.
justify
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
True.
I agree.
So, as Zia said, like where we started this conversation from, like certain people can exist.
Yeah.
Their life can exist and it's not going to affect you. But also there are like certain kinds of people who exist, but like everything they do, everything that happens to them
Okay.
affects you. I think there are the three of you all for me.
Yeah.
There's my parents,
I would hope.
and then there's Adi.
Yes.
So, talking about that, I saw the Jigra trailer,
Alia Bhatt's new movie. right?
Alia
Yeah, yeah.
Bhatt's new movie, and bro, I started crying.
Mm-hmm.
What's
I
it
started
about?
crying because I'll explain you guys the plot of the trailer. So the trailer in the movie, the trailer starts like, so the entire plot is based like Alia Bhatt is the elder sister. Her brother Vedang Raina, he is playing the younger brother's character. They are in China, I guess. It was Shanghai, and bro, the effects, the editing, it's a different genre. You see, we have seen movies about elder brother fighting. We've
Yes.
seen movies about elder brother rescuing or killing someone.
We've seen Animal.
Yeah, like the man being the
no,
go-getter.
not Animal is nothing related to that, bro. We've seen elder brothers like just fighting for
Yeah,
their
yeah, yeah.
younger siblings. I don't know if you guys have watched this movie, Rayan. It's Dhanush's movie. It's also a beautiful movie.
No.
So he's also an elder brother fighting for his younger siblings. And we've never seen an elder sister
Okay.
fighting for
Her
a younger brother or a sister.
Yeah.
And because I am the elder sibling, I saw that and I just started crying.
Aw.
Because there's this like just
How young is his brother?
उतना तो नहीं दिखा है, एज गैप वगैरह नहीं बताया ट्रेलर में, बट
स्कूल जाता है, कॉलेज जाता है क्या?
वेदांग रायना इज प्लेइंग, you know वेदांग रायना, right? No?
I mean, he's going to be up 20 in his 20s.
20s.
I'm
a
assuming.
guy in his 20s. So the trailer goes like, she's talking how there is no family but just the two of them. Like mom, dad, her parents died away at a very young age. They had to live with their relatives. The relatives did nothing but like just took money off of them, asked them to pay rent and everything. And then her younger brother was everything that she had. And उसको जेल में बंद कर देते हैं.
Oh.
So her entire motive is कि
To
उसके
get him.
भाई को जेल
छुड़ाना
से
है.
बाहर निकालना है, उसको justice
He was
दिलाना है.
wrongfully accused, obviously.
Yeah, and then there was this scene where मतलब उसने अपने भाई को बहुत टाइम से देखा नहीं है, तो वो लोग अपना उसका फोटो भेजते हैं उसको देखने के लिए,
Okay.
आलिया भट्ट को देखने के लिए. तो उसका फोटो होता है, पीछे एक ऐसा ड्राइंग बना है एक लड़की का और एक लड़के का हाथ पकड़ते हुए. The boy is, I don't want to cry.
Oh my God.
The boy is like smaller to the girl and they are holding hands and नीचे घर लिखा है. And then the song comes where you know that song फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. And Vedang Raina sung that song and bro, I started crying. I started crying because I know how I'm very protective of my brother. I've always been, even though I've traumatized him.
Watch
And
the
I've
siblings
told-
episode to know how.
But I had one question. Why is it based in China?
So, I don't know.
So he's like in prison over there? Or?
Yeah, over
Okay.
there.
Okay.
And
Interesting.
so
Yeah.
exactly for me it was like I can do literally anything for my brother. I can like genuinely literally do anything for my brother, face the consequences, and that's
Not think
exactly
twice.
yeah. And that's exactly what I saw on a larger screen. And bro, Alia Bhatt, she fucking did it for me.
Yeah,
It was too beautiful. And there's this one dialogue where she's like, where someone like she has a guardian or someone, like an elderly figure, and that person is telling her कि दिमाग से काम करना पड़ेगा, अभी बच्चन बन के फायदा नहीं है. And then she is like, ये टाइम भाई के पास टाइम बहुत कम है, अभी तो बच्चन ही बनना है. या तो मतलब मरना है या तो मारना है. And then there are like visuals of her,
Wow.
you know, doing action and everything, and the
Ooh,
lights.
that's cool.
That's
nice.
really
Oh,
hot
that's
for Alia Bhatt. I
Yeah,
mean.
and I don't know why, I just like, I again got the chills and I
Yeah.
started crying, bro.
And then you punch the TV.
I wish I could.
No, do not do that. Just because, like, oh, I'm not gonna watch this TV anymore. Let me just punch it real quick.
No, but I'm really very excited to see that movie.
When is it
with
releasing?
Adi. I think November.
Arey yaar.
November's gonna be a good month.
November. I think October, November. I did not pay attention to anything else. I was just so engrossed.
We can watch it together. No, wait, no.
That's why I asked her.
That's why I think this is a very different genre. Like
Yeah.
elder siblings, elder sister. Because I know a lot of elder sisters who won't show it.
Yes.
Like people can't, you know, seem to look at an elder sister with someone who has a lot of power and someone who has a lot of strength, who could like just do something crazy. It's just like stereotype.
I'd
Like,
argue against
no. People mostly look at elder sisters who would be like, "Ki, theek hai, abhi I'm helpless at this point." But then again, the people who know, they know, like, or someone, or the people, like the girls who are elder sisters, they know that if anything happens to my younger brother or like anything happens to my younger sister, there's a different side to them. Like
I
you
see
can
it, I
just
see it.
Yeah.
like you can just see a entire switch in their personality. They will fight with their parents, they will fight with everyone else for their younger
Agree.
sibling. There have been times where I have fought with my parents for Adi, and I do not regret one bit because
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
of
I
course
see
my
that.
parents are
You fought-
important.
I fought with my parents for my elder sister, and likewise. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a two-way street.
Yeah, like I obviously love my parents also, but my sibling,
Sometimes.
yeah,
You
dude,
need to.
obviously.
Adi, like my sibling, or you know, everyone's sibling is what they have
At the end of the
at
day.
the
like,
end
yeah,
of the
I
day.
agree, I agree.
Once.
After parents.
Yeah,
I
True.
agree.
That's the family that you have after your parents.
I feel really sad for people who don't have siblings, but it's okay.
Yeah.
But bro, Alia Bhatt, you know, I felt like there's this tone that she has. Sorry. There's this tone that she has while the trailer also. It's very similar to her Gangubai tone.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like she
Okay.
hasn't come out of it, but it feels very
It's
powerful.
powerful, yeah,
Very
exactly.
powerful to hear.
And I
Wow.
feel Alia Bhatt, she goes away from the stereotypical roles that Bollywood has been
I
portraying.
mean, she's done that too.
and,
Yeah.
and
But then she's
does
also
that
gone
really
away.
well. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
She started off with
Yeah,
that, I
yeah,
think,
yeah.
Yeah.
and then she slowly maneuvered her way through
Yeah, yeah.
like the
And she did it
non-stereotypical
beautifully.
Yeah.
roles. She
She
did a
did it
phenomenal job
beautifully.
at it, bro.
you know, I keep seeing those Alia Bhatt edits, Gangubai edits, and then she's
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah,
just
yeah,
like
yeah,
ijjat dene ka,
Yeah.
and she's raising her hands like this.
yeah.
Bro,
They're very powerful.
That's my
Yeah.
Roman Empire.
No, but they're honestly very, very powerful. Even her character, like even when she wasn't doing or saying much on camera in the movie, just her presence
Aura.
was so strong, so powerful. I mean, they did a great job with that bit.
I remember hearing this interview. I don't remember of who, but then they said that there was this dance that she did, like in the circle.
Her Dholida.
I don't remember
Or
which
from
one.
Gangubai.
Yeah,
Yeah,
from
yeah,
Gangubai
yeah.
only. And
Yeah.
then she was so engrossed in that role
Yeah,
that even after the
Cut.
cameras
Yeah, she was
shut
still
down,
dancing.
She was still dancing.
in that.
Trance.
Like,
Yeah,
Trance, yeah. So I think
She
Ranveer-
really embodied that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's why Alia Bhatt's success feels personal, because I think even we've grown with her. Like when we were in 10th standard, when we were in 4th, 5th standard, student of the year
we were
came.
very young.
I
Yeah.
don't think I've grown with her. I
Not
don't
like grown
consider-
with her,
no,
but,
but
we have
like-
seen her grow.
I haven't seen most of her movies, if I'm being very honest. I've
should.
only
I've
seen the.
seen like
You should.
I've seen like a
I've
couple
seen
of
where
movies.
she's done like a completely different role, like Razi. I've seen
Yeah.
beautiful. Like where she's not the typical heroine. I've seen those, like not the typical ones, like Humpty Sharma
Maa
ki
ki
Dulhania.
Humpty Dumpty.
that.
Badrinath
Ki
That is
Dulhania.
a good movie. You should watch it.
Okay.
It's not a typical love
But it
story.
still is.
Kind
At the
of.
end. Yeah, exactly.
But it's nice. It's good to
Okay.
watch.
I think that's a good note
That's
to end on.
Yeah. It's
not.
We had a great
Not-
conversation about a lot of things.
Yes.
I mean, beautiful segueing.
Thank you very
smoothly
much.
done. Smooth.
Thank
yeah,
you.
Smooth.
Next, the milk. I love smooth.
I love smooth.
I wish I could
The
say
bottle
that.
version, na Tetra Pak.
Tetra
तो
Pak.
2 sip में खत्म हो जाए.
The
Hazelnut.
one with the paper straws.
Hey.
No, I love
We
to
can't
chew
go
on it.
there.
I love to chew on the paper straws.
We can't go back.
But paper straws are great. I love paper
Sure.
straws.
She gets cancelled for hypocrite. For being a hypocrite.
I love the taste of paper. Anyway, guys, do you love the taste of papers? Comment
Let us know.
No, but yeah, we really hope you enjoyed watching this episode as much as we did filming it. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to drop in a like, comment down what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, do all that jazz. And if you're listening to this on an audio streaming platform, don't forget to follow us on there as well. And on Instagram, the handle is at We Are Besharam. Follow us on there as well so that we hit 20K very soon.
Well, I think you should goal for 30K by the time this goes
I
out.
think, yeah, 30. We should aim for high.
Aim for
the
higher,
50K
yeah.
stars.
Do
Yeah.
it.
50, 100, 1 million!
No,
We
but yeah.
really do want to thank you though
Yes.
from
Really,
the bottom
really
of our
wanna thank
hearts
you. Yeah.
for
Thank you
all the
all.
constant support.
Yes.
Y'all are like beautiful.
Blowing us up.
Yeah.
Blowing us up
Love.
and beautiful. I no, not gonna lie, I kind of looked through the followers list and like, why are all of them hot?
Yeah.
Not all of the creepy guys, but
You know
the,
who you are.
the beautiful women. You know who you are.
We love
Yeah.
all of you.
We love all of those who follow.
But yes.
And who comment.
Hmm.
Anything.
Anything.
We love everything. Engagement. But yes, until then, stay
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam.
Bye.
And we
Bye.
love you. Bye-bye.